Hello everyone, I am Rajat from FinalRevise and today I will discuss the step-by-step procedure of Delhi University OBE 2020. So let's start with the search DU-OBE, then click on the OBE Delhi University, register yourself, click on the new registration, select the mode you are in, select the program that you are pursuing, then put your name here in the name section, roll number as it mentioned in the admit card, put the verification code here and click on the submit. So this page, you will get this page here. Put up your, you will get the mail on your registered mail ID, and then you have to put the password here and the examination roll number. Verification code again, and then login. Here you get this portal, open book examination mock test. Click here, choose the date, and then search about the sample paper you want to pursue, and click here, read the instructions, click on I agree, submit. Then first day you get this portal, then download the paper, and after downloading this you can add files by answering on the A4 sheet in the PDF format. You will get 6 questions, you have to pursue 4 questions and preview and submit answer, and okay, fine, that's it, thank you.